Hi. Oh, he's such a good boy. Aren't you such a good boy? Here you go, baby. Here you go. Hello and welcome to Animals and Namaste. I am Mary Graves and this is your moment of mindfulness, and sometimes my animals come in and out of the room. So this is how we deal with it when we try to meditate. Today let's just talk about peace, because I know when I sleep better, I feel like my whole world is at peace. So what we want to do is just bring the peace in and let go with every breath out. So first, we're going to do as we always do, let the animals run in and out, and take a few deep breaths to get us there. Remember not to push yourself. If you can do 3 to 5 seconds breathing in and then breathing out another 3 to 5 seconds, that is perfectly fine. If you can go up to 10 seconds, some people can go past that point, but don't unless you're used to it. Don't push yourself. So here we go. Breathing in and breathing out. And breathing in and breathing out. A couple more times. Breathing in, feel the air enter your chest and your diaphragm. And exhale. From the diaphragm, push up through the lungs and out your mouth. One more time. Breathing in and breathing out. Alright, now we're ready for our mantra. Get into a comfortable position. Make sure your posture is as good as it can get. And we're going to breathe in peace and let go. Let go of whatever is holding you back. Breathe in peace and let go. Now, you don't have to say this out loud wherever you are, but if that helps, feel free to do so. Peace and let go. Now let's think in a couple breaths. Breathe in peace and let go. Okay, one more time. Breathe in the peace and let go of whatever is holding you back. All right. Now let's take a minute and just be in this moment. Take a couple more breaths. Okay. Hopefully you found a little bit of peace in this, and you can take it and put it to the rest of your day. Maybe take it and Use it throughout the night to help you get some good night's sleep. Whatever you do with it, hopefully it's good for you, it's good for those you love, and it's good for the world. As Charlie joins me, let me remind you to please subscribe to this channel. Feel free to like and share this video and any of my other videos, and click the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a new video. That's it. As always, namaste.